There's no line. Hold on. I'm not hungry. Something smells good. All right. See what we got.
I need you to exit the door.
Only one way in and one way out. 107. I lost my Drew. Well, here's the cool Brenda Moore with the glitter. I'm into that. How much is this one? This one, oh, this is the Stanley Cup 2006. $295. I am not into that. The lady that had that on was sitting in front of us. $38 for the Burn shirt. Woo! We gotta find Drew. I can hear him talking. Yes. Who are you talking to? Oh, well, that one over there is the woman's, and it was $295. Show me the $400 one. That one isn't even special.
It doesn't have a name on it.
That was $400 for that one? Not even special. Look, this one right here with the glitter, the Brenda Moore one right here.
Yeah.
This one's the
9,000.
Stanley Cup. It's
$295.
$295. Not bad. What's wrong with you? Okay, well, how much is this one?
The camo one?
That's only 102. See, that might you might can afford that. $40 for a t-shirt. You can get this Burns ones for $38.
It's 40 for a t-shirt, Steve. 400 for a...
400 for a jersey ain't gonna rock. Okay. 35 for that. I like this one. This one is 35. Show me what hat you want. Look, you like this one? You don't like this hat?
No.
That one's 40.
Established in 1997 when they played on Greensboro.
I don't like this. This is way too much. There's the Natchez. I'll say 38. What about this? This is a Darius Rucker one. What does that mean? Since when does Darius Rucker have a clothing line? It would have been better if it was called Hootie. $95 for that. This is the old school one. Yep. That was $120. Michael and Ness Coach hoodie. Lost Drew again. He keeps running away. Starter jacket. Starter jackets don't have prices on them. It means it's too expensive for me. Oops, excuse me. $195. The jerseys are more expensive than the jackets. Than a full-size starter coat.
Yeah, there we go.
That one's $40. You get a blanket, Royal Plush ratio blanket. Just the regular Canes. This is $205. And this one also $205. Not bad. Why they got the A on them? How much? That was $295. Oh, that's the Aho. And the Jarvis. Okay. What about this one? You like this plain one? So, guys, I'm on the search for one that has glitter. I saw a girl that had one earlier that had glitter on it. This is 36 too.
XL. Which one's this? That's a medium large.
You got ponytail. I like it. I like the black on black. I'm still looking for the glitter one. I have to go look online for that. No, you're not. $40 for that. You're not getting that. You can buy it online. It'll be cheaper. Don't buy anything in here just because you're impulsive. These don't have prices on them.
You don't want the one of those.
I don't want anything from in here. It's all too expensive. I will get it when I get home.
It's like, that's because you're in the gift shop, dude.
Help me put that back up.
He's like, go
It's
home
not
and get it
even
on
red. It's like pink. I kind of like it though. I'm into the.
there. It's just plain.
They don't have prices on. That's $55. Okay, how much is this one? That's $110. I like this gray, but like, what's up with this gray and camo? Like, could you just made it all gray? Oh no, you don't. $40 for a hat.
No touch my guys can check out shit.
They're all $38.
That one's 40.
I like the Cause Chaos. That's cool.
That was last year's logo.
40. So what?
What's this year's theme?
No touch my guys. That sounds kind of like a Me Too type thing.
That's what he said.
I know. Here you can get this one for. I can get one for $17.50 because I can wear youth. Maybe you can get a youth extra large. I'm here for that. I'll get me a youth one. I got a youth one at the last concert I went to. How much are these guys? These don't have prices. $20 for these little monster pucks.
So we don't have any more that so you'll have to.
How much is the other one?
I'll get me a child's jersey. Let's see. I can definitely wear a child's jersey. For sure. Let's see how much they are. How much will I say from getting the youth one? I might can swing that. $95. Still ain't paying $95 for that. I'm gonna buy one secondhand online. You guys can go online to Macari and buy one for $30. $35 t-shirt. That is $25 for the little Stormy. That is cute.
I'm over it.
The kids jerseys are still $100.
I paid $75.
You paid $75 for yours online.
Yep.
And what was the? Did you find my glitter hat? I'm looking for the glitter hat. This is all the Whalers stuff.
Stormy looks at me like. I said, I got your ID, dude. I can go wherever you go.
This is nice.
That's right.
Let's see how much it is. How much is this? It's a nice option to be able to have green. If you're one of those people that have to be different from everybody, $195. Isn't it crazy that these jackets are less than the jerseys? I'm into that. That's nice. Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, if you're one of the people that have to be different, you're like, I've got to be different. Then you can rock with this. $145. It's nice. Yeah.
30 years ago, though.
It's still nice. The colors are nice colors. This one's soft. Vintage hockey, it says. $115. I really like this. It's cream. Soft. It's a unicorn pig? No, you gotta help me find that hat.
It's not here.
Boo. $35. $35 for this little Stormy. What are these things called? Push smushmallows or something? Plushie. How much is the price on it? I don't see the price. If you guys see the price online, let me know. You see the price? If there's no price on it, it means they're free, right?
We good?
Yeah, we're good. Oh, they got one of those Stanley cups.